I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Suunto watch. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the top right button for approximately 3 seconds until the Suunto logo appears. Next, you'll be prompted to select your language. Use the upper and lower buttons to navigate through the options and confirm your choice with the middle button. For the most streamlined experience, we highly recommend pairing your watch with the Suunto app on your smartphone right away. This will guide you through the initial configuration steps effortlessly. Once your watch is powered on, let's set the time and date. From the watch face, press the middle button to enter the main menu, then scroll down to Settings and select it. Within Settings, find General and then Time/Date. Here, you have two options. Either allow your watch to automatically synchronize the time using GPS, which is highly recommended for accuracy, or manually adjust the hours, minutes, and current date. Remember to confirm your selections to save the changes. Now, let's personalize your activity settings to enhance your training experience. From the Settings menu, locate Activity or Sport modes. This section allows you to tailor various aspects for each sport you track. You can adjust data fields to display exactly what you need, fine-tune GPS accuracy for different environments, and set your personal heart rate zones. Feel free to create entirely new sport modes or modify existing ones to perfectly align with your unique training goals and preferences. Finally, to get the most out of your Suunto watch, regular synchronization with the Suunto app is crucial. This ensures all your activity data is transferred and your watch receives the latest software updates. Within the app, you can delve into advanced features such as detailed navigation, personalized training plans, and engaging community challenges. Remember to keep your watch charged and clean it regularly to maintain its optimal performance and extend its lifespan for many years of adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.